Have you ever wondered what products are actually selling on TikTok Shop in the UK right now? You scroll, you see trending items, but the real question is, which ones are making serious sales? That's exactly where Kalodata comes in. It's one of the most powerful tools for TikTok Shop product research, showing you what's hot, what's trending, and what's converting, so you don't waste time guessing. Here's why this matters: TikTok moves fast. A product could blow up today and fade tomorrow. But with Kalodata, you can track sales numbers, trends, and insights in real time, which means you get ahead of the competition instead of chasing it. And here's the good part: if you want to try Kalodata for yourself, you can grab it with 10% off using the link in the description. Don't miss that, because it's the tool that serious sellers are already using to find winners before everyone else jumps on them. Now, let's talk about what's actually selling on TikTok UK right now. From health and beauty items to problem-solving gadgets, Kalodata highlights the products dominating TikTok Shop. You'll see which categories are exploding, how many units are moving daily, and even which sellers are driving the most revenue. That's the kind of insight you just can't get by scrolling TikTok on your own. So whether you're looking to start selling on TikTok Shop or scale your existing store, Kalodata gives you the data to make smart decisions, not just guesses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.